Ang ending, ikaw pa rin? Do you ever feel na kahit na may staff ka na, ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa ng lahat? Let me tell you about Lisa. She and her husband run a t-shirt printing shop. On paper, things looked so good. They already had 2 helpers to manage the shop floor. Pero sa totoo lang, siya pa rin ang nag-aasikaso ng order, siya pa rin ang sumasagot ng customer messages, and whenever something went wrong, sila ni husband pa rin ang umaayos. So sabi niya sa akin, Mami En, parang kahit ilang tao ang tumutulong sa amin, ako pa rin sa huli. So one time, she trained one of her staff to handle orders. At first, okay naman. But after a week, mali-mali ang gawa. May mga kulang na delivery. And guess what? Bumalik uli sa kanya lahat, anak. Does that sound familiar? You train, you explain, you correct, and you repeat this again. Nakakapagod, di ba? And worse, while you're busy fixing small things, you don't get to focus on growing the business. Instead of planning new designs or finding more customers, you're stuck answering messages or rechecking orders. And here's the thing, it's not because you don't have good staff. Most of the time, kulang lang talaga ng malinaw na sistema. Kasi when there's no clear process, people forget, they get confused, and eventually the work goes back to you. That's why I always tell my mentees, you don't need to do everything. Kailangan mo lang ng malinaw na sistema, one that works even when you're not around. And this is what the Get One Task Off Your Plate is about. It's a short and simple mini course that helps you take one small but powerful step. You will learn how to choose the right task to delegate, how to build a system na kahit sino kayang sundin, and how to train once, hindi araw-araw. The goal is not to add more work to your plate, but to finally free you from the cycle of repeating yourself over and over and over. Imagine this, anak. Instead of spending your mornings answering the same customer inquiries, your staff can do it with confidence, following a system you set up once. And instead of staying up late checking orders, you can finally rest knowing the process is clear. Hindi lang negosyo ang gagaan, pati buhay mo rin. No fancy tools, no big team required, just one step. Isang simpleng hakbang na pwedeng magbukas ng mas magaan na paraan ng pagnenegosyo. So if you're tired of being the go-to person sa lahat ng bagay, maybe it's time to start small. Isa lang muna. Get one task off your plate. From there, you will see how much lighter things can feel. Makikita mo kung paano ka uli makakapag-focus sa mga bagay na talagang mahalaga. And that is growing your business and enjoying your life with your loved ones. Get one task off your plate. Anak, it might be the one change you've been waiting for. Check the link in the comment section and let's be business-minded, Pinoy.